see the actual work. If I want to hire a salesperson, sell me this coffee. Today I'm excited to share with you guys the best way to interview somebody in 2023. As a matter of fact, I found 3 all-stars so far by interviewing this way. I know I did a last video on leveraging your resources using Upwork. You got to catch my attention on the cover letter. Feel free to reserve a time that works best for you. And I found, a good social media manager through that resource. But today I want to show you the last trial of what I did. So I'm going to go here to campaigns on Upwork, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. Let's go. All right, looking for someone who I can hire on my team to handle all the video editing and all the creatives. I need things done like an outro, intro, ads, testimonials, coaching trailers of my work. I'm a consultant and coach. I speak on stages and coach clients and companies. Need help making cool videos with top-notch editing. I'm looking for someone who can take control and send scripts for new projects in the future, someone who can recommend things and be a partner and not just a contractor. The more the company grows, the more you will grow with it. Side note, that's a hack, right? You want people to work for you with their hearts and souls. Then when the company grows, they should grow as well. Don't be greedy, feed the needy. We just started it last year. We're on a pretty great start. Check out the page. So that was my post that I put there. We got a lot of proposals, right? And then some of these people, they set me example of some work they did, and some of the work I wasn't happy with, so I filtered them out.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Ended up picking the 5 top people that actually had, a message in there that engaged me, and I felt like they were worthy of being on the team. And we went through what a good worthy message is in the last video. So if you missed it, make sure you catch that video on Upwork. That's not enough, right? And my interview video that I did, so my interview video that I posted a while ago. All right, listen up. I got a great interviewing hack for you, and it's not asking a bunch of questions. It's not looking at somebody's resume. It's not calling their previous employers. It's simply giving them a short test with some pressure connected to it. All right, so in this video I did on YouTube, which is crazy because everything I tell you guys to do, I actually do myself, right? Which I'm doing here. I always say the way to interview somebody in 2023 is see if they're qualified by giving them a task. The most important task you want this person for, test them with it, right? And some people hit me up on TikTok, said, oh, that's illegal. You can't make them do something. Well, okay, I'll pay them for the sample test if that's what they need. That's besides the point. Let's focus back on the point. So anyways, I had these people work on a video for me, right? I replied back to every single one of them, and I copy and pasted it. So thank you for your interest in this project. I got so many responses, and the only way I can figure out who is truly qualified and who wants to do the project the right way is by sending one sample short video to edit and you sending it back to me so I could see exactly what kind of editing you're doing and if it's what I need. If you're interested, I will send it and I'll need it done by the end of the weekend. Let me know. He's interested. Okay, if somebody's interested in doing a little bit of work, they want to work for it to be on the team, I respect that, number one. It shows me that somebody's serious. But number two, it shows me their work ethic and their creativity inside their work. So I did this with about 5 to 10 people that I picked. And of course, only 5 of them responded back to do the sample work.
Nice job, team.
And then out of the 5 that responded back to do the sample work, I found one great video that I love. I said, this guy is exactly my type, right? And I hired that guy. He's now on the team now. A couple of other people, like this person here, I had to chase him. He said, yeah, send me the video. I sent it to him. He never got back to me. You're out, right? The people that sent me samples that look like they're, elementary editing, told them I'm good, don't need them, right? But then I found one person who did a phenomenal job, edited the video within 2 hours, had the best editing I've seen, and he's now on the team. So anyways, to sum up this whole video for you, what I'm trying to say is, instead of talking to somebody about their resume or their experience or just hiring them based off of their previous employers, that's the ancient dinosaur way. You want to hire somebody, then give them a job or a task that you want them to do and see how they do it for you so you could see the actual work. See the actual work. If I want to hire a salesperson, sell me this coffee.
Sell me this pen right here. You can sell anything, sell that. Go ahead. Sell me that pen. Can I finish eating first?
If I want to hire a lawyer, I'll present a fake case and say, how would you defend me in this case? Like, I want to see you in action, see people in action. That's the way to interview them. That's the way to bring them on your team. And that's the method of 2023. It's Acez Academy with you.